Mop Style e-bike installation video. Inspect the packaged accessories. Remove the front fork guard. Remove the brake pad. Install the front wheel. Note the order in which the metal rings and washers are installed. Install the front wheel onto the fork. Make sure the disc brake rotor is fully seated. The position of the washers and metal rings is shown in the image. Install the safety hook. Tighten the nut. Check that the hook is correctly installed. Install the parking rack. Install the fender. Remove the 3 screws from the front fork. Insert the fender. Secure the fender by replacing the screws that were removed. Install the handlebars. Loosen the seat tube screws. Remove the aluminum top cap. Note, rotate the seat tube 180 horizontally and then replace it. This will create ample clearance between the seat tube and the fork. Replace the aluminum top cap. Unscrew the seat tube screws. Install the handlebars. Pre-secure the handlebars. Adjust the vertical angle of the handlebars and tighten the seat tube screws. After adjusting the horizontal angle of the handlebars, tighten the screws on the back of the seat tube. Install the saddle. Remove the screws from the accessory package. Insert the washers on the screws. Install the taillight bracket. Use 5 mm. Use a hex key and a 10 mm wrench to tighten the screws. Place the saddle on the frame, align the mounting tabs, and tighten the screws with a socket tool. Place the saddle on the frame, align the mounting tabs, and tighten the screws with a socket tool. Align the red connector on the front light with the red connector on the display marked with an arrow, and push them together firmly. Use a 14 mm wrench to remove the screws and foam pads from both sides of the front light. Place the front light with the foam pads between the brackets and the light, then tighten the screws. Align the red connector on the front light with the red connector on the display marked with an arrow, and push them together firmly. On the pedals, L stands for left and R stands for right. Tighten the right pedal clockwise and the opposite pedal counterclockwise. Functional test. Functional testing. Brakes. Transmission. Powertrain. Headlight. Remove the key. Battery.